Hi guys, I'm Narayan. In this video I'll be showing you all on how to create a ringtone with a song for yourself. So without any delay, let's get started. I'm gonna use an app called Audacity for this, so that it is available in it is available for free. So let me get into the app. So we have to import the file or the song or an audio, and I want this song. So I've selected, and what you have to do is that what portion you have to listen the music carefully, and you have to select what portion of the song you wanna copy. So we can even copy multiple audios from same or different files at varied sections of we can even select copy and paste varied sections of audio from either same or a different tracks, and then create it as a one audio. But now I'm going to select different sections of the same audio and then create a new audio. So let's get started. You have to click on this and we are done. So now first I want it from this 115 to 2, so over here till this. So no, I want it from here to here, and then what you have to do is that click on this edit and click copy, and then click on tracks, add new, and mono track, and then click on this, and then edit, paste. We are done. So one more section from this 245 to 3. So let me play it. I'm listening the music. So guys, I think you all can hear the music. I'm gonna select it from here to here. Over here. From here. கனவுல மாட்டி குழம்புன மீன் முழிச்சதும் தப்பிச்சா ஒட்ட கோழி அழகுல என்ன கொத்தி அலையிற விட்டா கொஞ்சம் பொழைக்கிற விடுடி முட்டை ஓட்டு மனசுல கண்ண தூக்கி எறிகிற விட்டா எட்டி சதறுற எரளி. So I'm gonna I want this section, so I'm gonna click on edit and click copy, and I'm gonna select this place and click paste. So let me listen the audio. So we have to close this. We have to close this, guys, otherwise this will also play with this and create a golmaal. It's playing. Let me check it, guys. It's correct. Yes guys, I'm done. So now what you have to do is that you have to export this audio file. You have to click on this audio and then click export audio, and then you have to click it ringtone and save it wherever you want. I want to save it in the new volume E, and then click on save. Oh, sorry. Click on OK. You are done, guys. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please do hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the like button. You will get more videos like this in future.